TheYellowExplosion here, and today, well guys, we're not actually doing random MPS today. We're actually doing Mineplex Champions, which is actually supposed to be from the Mineplex Mixed series. So let's just get on with it. So, okay, we're on. Blue skin. Good job. Lagging. It is going to lag in this game, guys. Wait. Let me check something. This used to be too tiny. What am I even doing? Yeah, my render distance is that far. I'm sorry about that. But my computer's. If you saw my gaming setup, I'll put that link in the description. I'll put the link in the description to my gaming setup, and you'll see how weird. Oh my god! Seriously! My own teammate abandoned. Wow, good job, man. You're a really helpful dude. Yeah, totally. Oh, come on, I wanted that. What are you doing, man? Okay, Fluffy Finn. Okay, Fluffy Finn. Fluffy, I'm sorry, man. No. Fluffy Finn. No. Boom. Boom, I killed him. My first kills in this entire game. Let's party. Yeah, okay, no party. Okay. Sorry about that. But, no party at all. No party at all. Wait, this is red base. Oh, darn it. Oh, darn it. I do not need to update, okay? No. Why did my computer even do that? Oh my gosh, why did my computer do that? Weird. There's one more person. Fluffy, I'm sorry, Fluffy. Do not kill me this time. I already see you, man. You just shot arrows at me. Huh? Oh, there he is. Da. This dude is a rat. Ah! Okay, he is a rat. I'm sorry. He is a rat. Eat the mushroom soup. Eat the salmon soup. No! Well, thanks for the shocking, bro. Thanks for the shocking, bro. I really appreciated that. Well, I'll be back on that in the next game. Okay, guys, we're back. I forgot to record. Okay, I forgot to record this part, so not record this part. For throughout me going to a lobby. Okay, so we're still in the same game, but different people. Finn and Jake actually beast moded it last time. He killed all of us. Well, killed me, obviously. If you watch the entire video, he killed me. But yeah, he killed him. Killed literally everyone, guys. On my team, there was like 4v1, and then I died, and then another guy died, and then another guy died. We're on blue again, surprisingly. Finn and Jake, you're always on red, and I'm lagging like crazy. Oh, no. Well, good job, TheYellowExplosion. You did really good. Yeah, definitely. Oh. I'll see you when we're in a different game. I'm not playing this anymore. Oh, guys, so I've picked SSM teams, and we're doing the Enderman this time because I think he looks cool in his tall form. Tall form. Strong form. There it is. Rhyming words. Yes. Okay, so let's do this. Hey gal, how you doing, man? How you doing, man? I do not want this ball. I want this ball. Yay, Snowman's dead. Do you wanna kill the snowman? No, I'm not actually gonna see that. Oh, he just left. Wow. My teammate just left. Hey, Sora, I don't like you. I don't like you anymore. I'm sorry, man. You're not getting a shout out. Oh, what was that sound? Hey, stop. Hey. Oh, come on. Oh, my gosh. I actually killed him. Hey. Boom. I killed you. I actually killed him. Boom! Oh, he's dead. He's definitely dead. Oh, I'm dead. I'm dead too. Wow, I'm dead too. Oh my gosh. I just can't believe this. Stop teaming! I killed you both and I'll kill you again. Oh yeah, you get. Come on, get him. Snipe. If I got him, then that would be like insane. Boom. Oh, you missed. Boom. Oh, come on. Oh, yeah, I got you. Boosh. Oh, come on. Oh, yeah. Boosh. Gotcha. Oh, my gosh. He has one. Did he leave? Yeah, I don't know, he didn't leave. I just killed him. Maybe he just sacrificed himself. Boosh. I just won. With 2v1, I just won. Oh my gosh. I just can't believe I actually did. And I got a lot of gems. Yeah, totally. Well, guys, I think this is the end of this video, sadly. But make sure to leave a like, comment, and subscribe for more videos. My name is TheYellowExplosion, and peace out!